In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable layered audio editing in DaVinci Resolve, which will allow you to add more than one audio track seamlessly. So let's dive right in and start by ensuring we are on the right page. First things first, you'll need to open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. If you haven't done so already, please take a moment to do that now. Once DaVinci Resolve is up and running, head over to your project where you'd like to apply layered audio editing. Now, on the DaVinci Resolve interface, locate and click on the Timeline option in the menu at the top of the screen. This is where most of the magic happens when it comes to editing your media. Once you're in the Timeline menu, a variety of options will unfold. The option we're particularly interested in today is audio related. So, look for the Audio menu item within Timeline. This feature is crucial as it houses the settings we'll need to modify to enable our layered audio editing capabilities. Now click on the Enable Layered Audio Editing option. By doing this, you will unlock the ability to add multiple audio segments to a single track, giving you more flexibility and control over your audio editing. This layered approach is excellent for those projects where sound intricacy is key, such as when blending different soundtracks or inserting overlapping dialogue and effects. If you followed along with me, you should now see that the option is enabled. This simple change will enhance your editing workflow significantly. You can now add multiple audio clips to a single audio track, which can be beneficial if you want to mix sounds creatively or need to overlay different audio tracks for a more immersive sound experience. At this point, you're pretty much set. Take some time to familiarize yourself with this new setting by experimenting with different audio tracks. Play around and see how layering audio can elevate your project to a whole new level. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with these new skills, your audio editing will certainly reflect that. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've enabled layered audio editing in DaVinci Resolve. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your audio editing process even smoother. As always, feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher or share it with someone who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy editing.